There are so many people that feel like they don't have purpose. And
Veteran suicide is at a historic high. I've lost more friends to suicide after we were cut loose from the Army than I have in combat.
wow.
We had an identity, we had a purpose, we had respect, we'd earned it. It was all snatched away. We were dropped into the civilian world. And then all of a sudden, we're civilian private. We don't know what to do with ourselves. You know, some guys had the right education and the right training to be able to go into a career field. Other guys were too banged up and too damaged. And the next thing they know, divorce looms on the horizon, child support and child custody looms on the horizon. They're losing their house, they're losing their car. They're on these medications. They feel like they can't work anymore. And they feel like there's no end to it because they're retired. That's the end of their lives. This is all you'll ever make. You can't keep a roof over your head with what you have because it's now being taken. And they just decide to call it a life. It is not over, guys. It ain't over. There's so much more. I can promise you, you work your ass off. You did it before, you can do it now. I clear over 115,000 a year. And I was hopeless 2 years ago.
Wow.
And that's not talking trash, that's not making it up. It's out there. You just have to try. I'm a 4-time combat veteran, U.S. Army Wounded Warrior, medically retired Staff Sergeant. I've been out since 2010. Kosovo, 2 tours in Iraq, Afghanistan, and Africa. And, you know, I got banged up in combat. I got blown up like a lot of us did. You know, I took a hit, man. My health went bad real quick. VA, of course, and you guys that I'm trying to reach out to, you all know, man, they put us straight on the medication. I was on Oxycontin and morphine for 8 years. I mean, to the point where you lay down, it hurts. You sit, it hurts. You stand, it hurts. It doesn't matter what you do, it hurts. And I figured I was bound for a chair for the rest of my life. And after a while, the insomnia just got so bad. I said, enough is enough, man. I'm getting off this garbage. They can say what they want to, but I'm getting off it. You know, I did 4 months of detox. You know, just dosing off of that garbage. Sick, hurt, couldn't sleep, just misery. And, you know, finally got to the point where I was off. You know, a lot of guys are real scared to take that step. A lot of guys are real scared to get off the medication because they feel like the pain just won't ever end. Man, 2-3 months in after I was off of it, I started feeling like I could run again. I started feeling like I could lift again. And I realized, I'm like, you know, hell, I'm getting my life back. Well, the hell with this. If I've got my life back, I want to go back to work. You know, I went troops into transportation, something we all have through our Montgomery GI Bill, and went to school, got in a truck. And I've got a C4, C5 spinal fusion. I've got 4 screws, 2 titanium plates, and a cadaver bone in my spine. Man, I know a lot of guys are kind of scared of the big trucks because everybody hears rumors that, you know, they ride so horrible they'll destroy your back and so forth. Man, most of these modern big trucks ride better than most cars I've ever ridden in. And I've had quite a few cars. You know, you don't have to give up. You don't have to stop. You don't have to resign yourself to a chair for the rest of your life and say, this is all I'll ever make. This is the only life I'll ever have. I'll just have to make do with whatever I'm being handed out. You can go out and have more. Man, it is scary. It is scary. but you persevere and you push through it, and you will have your lives back. You can do what you want. A lot of us are loners, don't like people. You know, we always choose the hard right over the easy wrong. We see people that always choose the easy wrong, and it shuts us down, shuts us off. We don't want to have anything to do with it. You know, trucking lets me run my own time, my own schedule. It lets me set my vehicle up the way I want it to be. You know, it lets me have my own small business, my own small life, everything the way I want it, the way I say. And it's, I mean, we get to travel again. We traveled all over the world. We saw countries everywhere. It gives you that piece of your life back, man. You don't have to give up and just say, the hell with it, I'm going to sit in the chair for the rest of my life. It's not over. I guess that's my little soapbox.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.